Ever wondered why some bikes let you downshift like a pro, while others feel like they're gonna kick you off the seat? Today on Bike Theory, we're comparing it against a normal clutch to see if it's really a game changer for your ride. In a standard clutch, aggressive downshifting creates massive back torque. This causes the rear wheel to hop or skid, making the bike completely unstable. This unpredictable hopping is unstable, wrecking your lap times and breaking your nerve. Without a slipper clutch, aggressive downshifts will leave you fighting for control. But what if I told you there's a way to neutralize that danger? This is where the slipper clutch enters the scene. At its core, it's a brilliant piece of engineering. Inside, it uses a ramp and cam mechanism that acts as a mechanical safeguard between your engine and the wheel. When that back torque tries to lock the wheel, these ramps force the clutch plates to separate, literally slipping the connection. This stops the wheel hop instantly. It allows the rear tire to rotate faster than the engine, keeping you stable, planted, and in total control. In a standard clutch, downshifting is an art. If your rev matching isn't pixel perfect, you feel that jerk. With a slipper, the bike forgives your mistakes. When you're leaning deep into a corner, stability is everything. The slipper clutch ensures your rear wheel stays glued to the road, letting you focus on your line, not on saving a slide. And it's not just about performance, it's about fatigue. Because the mechanism helps the clutch do the heavy lifting, the lever pull often feels less strain on your hand means more time in the saddle. Commuting? You might not miss it, but if you're hitting the track or carving up canyon roads, the slipper clutch isn't just a luxury, it's an essential piece of your kit. So, is it better? If you love spirited riding, aggressive cornering, or track days, a slipper clutch is a massive performance upgrade. But if you're strictly a city commuter, you might not feel the difference every single day. Just remember, once you've experienced the stability of a slipper, it's hard to go back to anything else. If you learned something new, hit that subscribe button for more deep dives. Ride safe, and keep the rubber side down.